What's up, my queens? It's your AB queen back on the YouTube scene. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl. And if you're a new person watching, by the end of this video, child, you're gonna want to subscribe. So if you could tell by the title, honey, today's video is gonna be a full Valentine's Day glam. Okay, and yes, y'all like the shortcut. I'm looking like very much, it's giving me very much Marilyn Monroe, like modern day Marilyn Monroe. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful V-Day makeup look, then I suggest you keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Today we are going to be filling in our brows with the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Auburn. And I'm going to be using the brush I got from BH Cosmetics. Y'all know I always talk about that brush set. And we're going to be taking that angle brush side, and we're going to start filling in our brows, outlining the bottom and the top, and then filling in the rest with the product. Y'all know we're gonna already use the spoolie, honey. Okay, we're gonna use it, and we are going to brush out the brows and give them that gritty effect. And after we do this, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to sharpen up my brows. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 100, and we just gonna, like I said, clean up these brows, honey. Then we got the brows on and popping. We're gonna move on to eyeshadow, and today's eyeshadow of choice is going to be the Boom Drastic Ultra 90s palette by Diamond Lane Cosmetics. And we're gonna take that first red shade called Dare, and we're gonna put that down in our crease. And yes, I figured out the problem to our video. I don't know. You see how it just went from light to dark? You see how it's doing that? Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna have to invest in some like other lights, because honestly, I did not like how it's doing that. I think I know the reason why it's doing that. That's why I said I need to transfer to new lights. So until I get that problem fixed, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. But now we're gonna take the next shade, and it's called Boombox, and we're gonna put that shade down as our second color to deepen up and make this look very dramatic. And after putting that black down, and once I get it blended out, I do go back with the first shade that we used, and I just blend right on top of that. Once everything is blended out to my liking, now I'm going to be taking my handy dandy wipes. Okay, y'all know y'all can use wipes, coconut oil, anything, you know what I'm saying. And we're just going to erase where we're going to put down some eyeshadow. Taking my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, we're going to be putting this down to cut our crease, okay? And I also, you know, I'm also thinking about doing something else when it comes to like my eyes, because I feel like, you know, if I use like a handheld mirror, it will be better for y'all to see it instead of me like getting close to my mirror, because I don't like the angle. I don't like it. Like, no. So I just gotta tweak my content a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get it together, because I want, you know, better content for myself, better content for y'all. So, you know, y'all just gotta bear with me, okay? So now that we've packed that base down, I'm going to be taking this next pink shade called Blow Pop, and we're going to put that on the end of our outer crease. After putting down that pink shade, we're going to take this white shade in the palette called Game Boy, and we're going to put that in the inner part of our cut crease. Next, I'm going to be taking my glitters. I always mix my glitters, child, so I be using more than one brand or whatever. But yeah, so those will be linked below. But I'm going to be taking my lash glue, and I'm going to put that around where I want the glitter to lay. I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to apply the glitter. And I'm just applying the glitter around the cut crease. So now we're going to take my Nubian Boutique lashes in the style, I believe it's Fancy or the Malia. It's one of the two. And we're going to pop these bad boys on. Alright, so move on to the face. So we're going to use the Fenty Beauty primer, the hydrating primer. We're going to put this all over our face. Following up behind that, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 100. After that, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer again in the shade 100, and we're going to do my highlight. You know, I like to highlight up under my eyes, my cupid's bow, chin, bridge of my nose, and forehead. Moving on to contour, we're going to use our Fenty Beauty contour matchstick in the shade Truffled, and honey, we're going to sculpt this face. We're going to bring out them features, and guys, them black features, period. Coming up next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Lavender, and we're going to set this face, lightly set the face. Following up behind that, I did take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Private Island, and I just set those contour areas. After wiping off that bake, I'm just going to be taking that same powder and I'm going to cut my contour to give it a more sharper look. And while that's baking, I'm going to take my BSimone Beauty lipstick in the shade Baby Girl. And we're going to get these lips looking real good. This is the perfect red light, y'all. I haven't had a red like this since the MAC Ruby. Like, this red is a bomb red. Like, perfect. Taking my Milani Cosmetics blush in the shade Luminouso, I'm going to be rosing up these cheeks, and this blush is just so beautiful. Like, it's really just the perfect tone. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter pigment in the shade Snowflake. I'm going to be highlighting my face, and I did top it off with my Fenty Beauty What It Do setting spray. I just didn't show y'all on camera, and this is the completed look. And this is the completed look. So if you stay tuned throughout the whole entire video, you're a real OG, you're a real queen, and I appreciate you for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something, and maybe you could do this look on Valentine's Day with your Valentine. Okay, so you know, y'all know the motto, y'all know the vibes. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and always remember to embrace, showcase, and beat your face, baby.